Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Samiha Jubaida Alam from CSE department. We are from group 17. Me and my teammate Najmul Hassan are going to present our research paper, which is academic research paper text summarization using NLP. First, I'm going to start with the introduction part. As we know, the amount of academic research articles has been growing exponentially in recent years. This has made it difficult for researchers to keep up with the latest findings. One way to address this challenge is to use NLP to automatically summarize academic papers. NLP, natural language processing, is a field of computer science that deals with the interaction between computers and human languages. It can be used to extract information from text, translate languages, and generate text. There are several NLP techniques that can be used for text summarization. One common technique is to identify the key sentences in the text and then combine them to form a summary. Another technique is to use a statistical model to predict the most important words in the text. It can be used to summarize larger amount of text quickly and easily, and also can be used to summarize text in a variety of languages in a variety of styles. Automatic text summarization plays a crucial role in addressing this challenge by condensing relevant content while preserving its core meaning. There are various methods for generating summaries, including extractive and abstractive approaches, which simplify text content. Precision in summarization is highly valuable in saving time in our daily lives. This paper also mentions the initial exploration of single document abstraction queries and discusses the evolution of automated single document text summarization methods. The study highlights the use of natural language processing in tracking trends related to abstraction techniques in academic research papers. Additionally, it provides insights into extracting keywords from text within the content of academic research papers. Literature review provides an overview of different approaches and techniques in the field of text summarization. Marchant and Pandey in 2018 proposed a text summarization system that uses latent semantic analysis (LSA). LSA is a technique that can be used to identify the concepts that are contained in a document. The system first used LSA to build a semantic space for the document. The semantic space is then used to identify the most important sentences in the document. The paper by Liu, year 2020, discusses the use of Spacy, a natural language processing library for text summarization. Spacy can be used to perform a variety of tasks such as sentence segmentation, tokenization, and parts of speech tagging. The paper proposes a system that uses Spacy to identify the most important sentences in a document and then combines these sentences to form a summary. The paper by Liu Sheng, year 2020, develops a problem-based learning (PBL) method for teaching natural language processing (NLP) using large data text summarization. The PBL approach is designed to motivate students to learn NLP by confronting them with real-world problems to solve. In this case, the problem is to summarize large collection of text data. The PBL approach uses a number of NLP techniques, including topic modeling, machine translation, and sentence coding. The paper by Shen, year 2021, proposed a text summarization system that used a combination of extractive and abstractive summarization techniques. The system first extracts the most important sentences from the document using extractive summarization. The sentences are then passed to an abstractive summarization model, which generates a new summary that is different from the original document, but that still captures the main ideas of the document. Methodology. In methodology, there are four parts: import necessary library, data analysis, pre-processing, and summarization. First, import necessary libraries. To import the following libraries, we need Pandas, NumPy, NLTK, and RE. Pandas is used to load and manipulate the data. NumPy is used for performing mathematical operation. NLTK is used for performing natural language processing tasks. RE is used for the use of regular expression. Second, data analysis, publication dominance. US leads publications followed by UK and Canada. Other countries contribute less. Publication trends peak in 2020 with 80,000 articles followed by a decline 70,000 in 2021, 60,000 in 2022, 50,000 in 2023. Author concentration, top 2000 authors produce most articles, only 10 authors have written 10 plus articles. Author article relationships, author and article relationships, many articles by multiple authors, fewer articles as article count rises, illustrating concentrated publishing patterns. Third, preprocessing. Tokenization, breaking text into token words, characters or subwords. Word embedding, transforming text into numerical values using GloVe for word representation. Removing punctuations, stop words, contradictory words. This eliminating common low information words. Vector representation of sentences, it's encoding sequences in high dimensional space. Similarity metric, it measures sentence similarity using cosine similarity, converting similarity metrics to graph. And lastly, summarization. Text rank summarization. Text rank is an extractive and unsupervised text summarization method. Transition probability calculation, it calculates the likelihood of transitions between phrases using phrase similarity. Similarity metrics between phrases are stored in a square matrix similar to the matrix used in PageRank. Sentence ranking and extractions. Text rank sentences based on their similarities, sorts them by rank, and then extracts the top ranked sentences as a summary of the input text. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Nazmul Hasan Ayan. Now I will talk about the result analysis section in our research project based on academic text summarization using NLP technique. So we have used this article as input in our system, and this article is consist of 5,607 words, and our generated summary is 1,680. So from that, we can say that our text-RAM algorithm has successfully generated a decent summary from that, because in this summary, if we see that there are input text, there are several contradiction words, and there are also some the stop words as well. And if we see that there is a blank space over there, and but in our generated summary we can say that there are no contradictory words, and quotes are also well maintained, and in the summary part we can see that there are no blank space as well. And so I we can so in conclusion we can say that text rank algorithm um, generate the decent summary, and also the generate summary is free of contradictions, URLs, special characters, and empty space as well. And here are the most significant words that also might be articulated. And we have also detected that in our summaries, there is a no, the same words is not repeated by using synonym as well. And we have also retained the original title and source and quotation in our generated summary as well. And after getting this summary, we have a survey 10 plus more articles with the traditional approach of getting the summary. And we all know that we can generate a summary of text or passage, whatever, and grammatical way. And there is a format as well. And we have actually compared our generated summary with the traditional one, and we have after so to comparison with 10 to 10 to 12 article, we have found that our in the source text sentence, if we get the manual summary, we get 13, and some in the short passage like we have get the 19 summaries, which is good. But in the if we see that in the long sentence, like manually, if we get a summary of the passage, we can get 58 on average, and whereas the our summary can get the 36 as well, which is the 1/3 or 1/4 of a sentence of the total text. So we can say that. So from the and the short text, we can see that there the average 61 number of sentence was there, and manually we can get 34, and system summary gets 31. From this statistic decision, we can conclude that our system performs 22% better than the traditional approach and ensures a better in the some traditional summary. Most of the words are, and sometimes it's not good to understand as well, but our ones actually we have used the regular expressions and other NLP technique as well, so we can ensure a better understanding compared to the original text. Now, the text summarization actually they don't end here because the text summarization techniques are not always accurate because it can differ from what the original matter, and sometimes actually the future work must be going on because the everything that we can get, it's not the final one as well. So we have seen that on our research basis that the summarization technique is continuing, and many studies have been done before, and there is no one model that consistently generates the best summary. In order to produce and more accurate summaries in the future, we can use the transfer learning and GN's algorithm as well. And this may provide a means of creating and improving the more concepts in the text summary. So now comes the conclusion part. In the conclusion, the field of measure NLP offers a viable solution to the growing need for a efficient summarization technique in the light of the expanding academic research sense. The challenging process of condensing dense academic knowledge into brief, understandable summaries made achievable that skillful application NLP. The discovery of NLP these approach outcomes are example how these symbols of technology and scholarly inquiry holds the potential to alter. And generic summaries are also that are accurate and concise and readable, we can say, from our experiments. And at the list now there, and then we can say that accounting for the different writing style, we can conventionally use the way for getting the exact summary, we can use NLP, and we have used in the model that we have used in the pre-processing section. From that, we can achieve a good summary from an academic text paper. So that was from my side. Thank you everyone for listening.